Hey guys, what's up? It's Connor here. I'm gonna do a little video talking about my Yamaha TTR 125. So yeah, let's get started. Um, obviously it's TTR 125. It's the GYTR edition Yamalube. I don't know what that means, but whatever. This is the 2015 edition, and it has electric start. And yeah, it looks pretty cool. I really like it. It has a nice exhaust. It's louder than I expected it to be. And nice tread on the wheels. Yeah, nice engine. There's the Kickstarter foot peg, front tire. Yeah, it's pretty cool. The brake and the clutch. I think this is my clutch. Maybe it's the brake. I don't know. I'm not used to using a clutch, so I was really stressed out trying to drive it yesterday. But I got used to it, and it was pretty fun, so yeah. And down here you see the kickstand and the left foot peg and the back brake, or not the back brake, the gear shifter. Still gotta get used to that also. Yeah, this is a real nice seat and everything. Pretty cool. I'm about 5'5", so this bike's pretty much my right size. Sit on it. It took me a little bit to learn the balance, but yeah, it looks really nice, dude. So yeah guys, that's my video on my new Yamaha TTR 125. I just got it yesterday, and yeah, I hope you like it. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and Connor out.